ExactTrack 4D constantly scans for new threats in your neighborhood, alerting you faster than ever when severe storms are heading your way.
I updated the alerts a little while ago saying that we had a couple of showers and a thunderstorm that was winding down and would continue to do so here between 10 o'clock to midnight. But let me put this into motion so you can see this was almost like a little, I might just be outside of the window. It was almost like a little pulse storm where it had one strike, popped up to about 13, faded away, and this is the last little blast here. We've got a couple lightning strikes left over as it's moving in and around parts of southeast Georgia, just in and along Ware County, even a little bit here into Charlton, most of which is still out over the swamp, but over Williamsburg right now is where we have the last of the thunderstorm, which will slowly continue to move out here, getting those frogs croaking and chirping with another round of some showers. Here at Morningstar Marinas, it is quiet, and the flag barely blowing out there. Let's see what we got going. South wind right now at 9 miles an hour, and yet it still feels like it's 95 degrees, 87 on the beach right now under clear skies. It's that humidity that'll get you. Palm Coast is still showing 70s. Showers and storms that popped up earlier in the afternoon coming in about 3 to 4 o'clock. Cooled temperatures down to the 70s, and there wasn't any rebound here, keeping in the 70s. Palatka also saw a little dip in the temperatures and then bounced back up to about 86 before those temperatures started to settle. And after seeing a daytime high 96 degrees, well above our seasonal trend by 4 degrees, we started to cool things off, although a bit slower. High pressure sitting here in the Gulf of Mexico. I'd like it to be a little bit closer to northeast Florida and southeast Georgia. That would help to squash the chance for showers and storms, but where it sits, it's going to help to generate, feeding that south and southwesterly flow, keeping us under that spotty chance for showers. And under this type of pattern here where we have the Gulf influence, the ignition time closer to about the lunch hour here, I-75, 1 to 2 o'clock as we get to Highway 301, US 1. And as you'll see a bit later, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock is where we'll see those as they begin to pop. Not everybody's going to see the rain. Rain chances will continue between about 40 to 70%, slightly higher here, closer to I-75. But you see the performance is going to be a repeat, rinse, wash, and repeat here as we make our way through the rest of the work week with those chances. And the models, and this is collectively here between I-95 and that US 1 Highway 301 corridor is where we have the potential for the heaviest rainfall, and that's because of the sea breeze interaction where they run into each other. Before the sea breeze starts its approach here, it'll move across the beaches, keeping things pretty quiet, although a moderate risk for rip currents as it's still a little choppy out there. Maybe some nice rides to be had if you want to take the gear out early tomorrow morning. 70s are widespread as we get ready to start the day, and I showed you temperatures that feel like 95 right now. It's going to feel like you're still in the 80s as you get ready to start the day here in Mayport, and those temperatures will continue to climb, feeling like 90s by the time we get 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and then moving into those 90s as early as about the lunch hour, 1 o'clock. So for your Tuesday, let's go ahead and fire up the nanometer. We'll make it a 9 as we've got the chance for showers and storms and those temperatures that are still steamy with the humidity, making it feel like the triple digits. Mid 70s will kick us off. Afternoon showers and thunderstorms, 50 to 60% here. We could see some chances a little bit higher closer to Highway 301 and I-75. And as the jumbo shrimp come back home, get ready for a homestand. We might be dodging some showers and some storms as we make our way through the work week and the upcoming weekend. More of the news at 10 after the break.